Okay, this is the second video of this zbook review. I have set up the Windows 7 on this laptop, so I'm going to power it on right now. So 15. We start at the 15 second. Let's see how long it would take to the login screen. Okay, 60. So it's about 45 seconds to login screen. 45 seconds, not too bad. Okay, I'm going to log in. So the keyboard has a light underneath, has a light, so it's a light keyboard. Pretty beautiful. So it's logged in. So let's see. We can operate it. So here's the hard drive. Probably is total is 680. 94, so maybe 700 hard drive. Let's see. System properties. This one got Windows 7 Professional, SP1, zbook 14. It got 8 gig memory, 64-bit system. Okay, and I just run the rating. So the rating is rated by the lowest score. So CPU, it got 7.1, memory 7.2, graphic 6.7, game graphics 6.7. So disk data transfer rate 5.9. This is a typical hard drive performance for SATA hard drive. Okay. Yeah. And this one shipped with some HP applications, some security, some password manager stuff. So yeah, generally speaking, this one is a nice portable web-made laptop. I like it. So this is the all about this laptop. Thanks for watching. Bye.